Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Dyson hp07 with the Dyson hp02 and what are the things between these two, what you need to know. So primarily the differences in between these two are huge. Now, first thing first, when you're going to look here for the differences, if you're going to have it for bedroom, for pets, for particle filtration rate, the hp02 got such a bad results. You can see right here the pets, the bedroom, the particle filtration rate, even the particle concentration is like, it's just pretty bad. So that's the thing that I just want you to know, is that when you're going to look here, is that yes, both got the filter change indicator, air quality sense, remote control, and the site ratings.com is really amazing for like reviews. And that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you with this video regards the specs that you need to know about both, that they're just like not good. So, and the hp07 is better comparing to hp02 like stats wise. So have a great day and goodbye.